Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. Use 500 grams of ripe fruit, 250 grams granulated sugar, and 250 ml water to make a simple syrup with a 2:1 fruit to sugar ratio. Heat the water and sugar until dissolved, cool the syrup, then combine it with the fruit puree. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice or 1 teaspoon white vinegar to brighten flavors and prevent dullness. For smoother, more scoopable texture, optionally fold in 1 egg white or 1 teaspoon vodka before churning. Puree the prepared fruit in a blender until completely smooth, then press the puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove seeds and coarse fibers for silkier sorbet. Taste the blended mixture and adjust sweetness carefully. Cold mutes flavor, so aim for slightly undersweet now and correct after freezing. Chill the strained puree and syrup mixture at least 2 hours in the refrigerator. A well-chilled base freezes more evenly and produces smaller ice crystals when churned or frozen manually. If you have an ice cream maker, churn the well-chilled base for 20 to 30 minutes until it thickens and aerates. This yields the best texture. For no machine method, freeze in a shallow pan, stirring vigorously every 20 minutes for 2 hours to break ice crystals, then finish in the freezer. Harden the sorbet in the freezer for 2 to 4 hours until scoopable. Serve slightly softened and store in an airtight container up to 1 week, pressing plastic wrap onto the surface to reduce ice crystals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.